Okay, today, and I'm not that good at baking, but I like things that look pretty. I'm going to be making ice cream sandwiches look cute. Okay, hold on, I need to get a bowl. I got a bowl. Next what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take some gorgeous fancy sprinkles. They're upside down. Ooh, she looks good. Hi. I'll show you more later. You're gonna open them up. And then you're just gonna pour them into a bowl. I'm just gonna, I did not think this through. They are going everywhere. I'll just pour the whole bottle out. Oh, okay. This is what us in the biz call a bowl shot. Wow. Then you're just gonna grab a, just a generic store brand ice cream sandwich. Put the rest in the fridge. Oh no. You're thinking this has stuff on it. All good, don't worry. I'm just gonna scrape. Just gonna scrape. You're just scraping. You get the idea, you get it. Then you're gonna take your brand new ice cream sandwich. And you're just gonna take your bowl, turn. Oh my God, I didn't think this would work. Oh my God. I mean, can we talk about this, please? It's a Tuesday, what? This is gorgeous. Hold on. Like, are you kidding? She is gorgeous. Put her on a table. Show her off. And then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna eat her. She's sleeping. Oh my God. These sprinkles are so good. Look at that. I wanna eat this whole thing. Okay. This is so good. It tastes so much better with the sprinkles. Because the chocolate chips made it too chocolatey. This is like pretty, and it's a more fun crunch. I'm gonna feel sick later. I'm definitely gonna feel sick. This is so good. I mean. Wow. Maybe we just also like dab. Because like, there's leftovers. I'm a mom. I mean, I'll take it. Fancy sprinkles. That's how you do it. Wow, talk about an afternoon treat. Are you kidding? Thank you for watching.